which call one marina or marina 1. So there is a fountain over there which looks like there's no water droplets, the line falling down from there. And then can you see? And also if you touch inside you see, ooh, so line guitar, ding ding ding. So can you see this place is so green, so nice. And then now I'll show you a special place. Now we reach here. Can you see these are made from recycled? Can you see these made from the paper bags and everything? This is made from the plates and all the kind of boxes. And they painted the smiley. And these are the Christmas tree ideas. You wanted to make them, then you have an idea of making. Now can you see the egg cover that is made of? And this is made of plastic bottles, and the plastic bottles make into flowers. And can you see these are made of gift box and toys and everything. Okay. And now can you see they read a very interesting fact about recycled water bottles. Can you see that one is made of tire wheels and cans. And they also written the same thing. There's tires over there. Now look at the other side. This Christmas tree is made from fidget spinner. Look at this tire. And then this is made from fidget. And then can you see it written Merry Christmas? Can you see I'm touching it so that I see what material is like. And this is made from newspapers. Can you see they also put it an interesting fact that it's made from recycled. This is made from tissue rolls. This is the idea which I shared for you. And then the last one is it's made up from glass. Something else new. And so please like, share and subscribe my channel and hope you like it. Bye bye.